Hi, this is Dr. Raj here from Dental Care for You. I wanted to explain something about Invisalign, the clear aligners. It's not just only for patients to get a nice, pretty, straight smile. It's also important to have teeth that are straight so that your tongue has space for it to sit. People don't realize that the tongue is crowded when the teeth are crowded. The tongue can't sit in there properly, especially when you're sleeping at night. It gets pushed back, and as a result, it blocks your airways. It can happen to you. So that's another reason why we recommend getting Invisalign, to straighten your teeth, to expand your jaw, so that there's more room for the tongue to sit and relax. And this is even more important for teenagers or even children, to make sure that their jaws are getting developed. They need to come in, for a checkup and make sure that, hey, you know what, are my teeth growing properly? Is everything looking good? Can I expand my jaw a little bit more so that my tongue relaxes? That's another reason why to get Invisalign, and I recommend that to all our patients. And you're welcome to give us a call at this number and come in for a free consult if you need to. Hey, is my jaws developed? You may have your own dentist, and that's fine. I have no problem. But sometimes they don't know that, hey, your jaw needs to be developed also so that you have a better airways. Call us, and thank you for your time.